and then the pink up fit you to blood clot. Oh my God. That's just when I get it. In there. Girl, you come out to pussy clot. All up myself, you look how me look nice. I'm just a ragged all like.
Well, going apples, welcome back. So today I'll be doing a glam look on my client, and she wanted a pink and purple look, so that's what I'll be doing. But first I'll be starting off by grooming her brows. So now I'm on to the brows, and I love to go in with a pencil to carve out the brows. I didn't have to go above her brows because her brows were already thick, so I just fill it in, and then I'm using a spoolie, like a mascara spoolie, to brush the front so that it could look a little natural. But I couldn't find my original spoolie, so it darkened it instead, but no worries. So like when I was almost finished with the brow, I found the correct spoolie, and I just went in at the front to make it look more realistic, so more natural, and then I continued. Right here I'm going in with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and I'm using a MAC concealer to clean up her brows. If you like this kind of content, comment down below, keep them coming, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Now I'm going in with this nude shade from the same palette that looks almost like her skin tone, so it barely shows, because I asked her what look she was going for. She wanted bold purple and pink on the lid, nothing really in the crease, so I went light on that shade in the crease. So I use that as a transition color, and I put that above and in the crease. Right now I'm going in with the Zulu palette and by JUVIA'S, and I'll be using the pretty pink and purple in the second row of the palette. To cut the crease, I'll be using my Sigma F70 brush with some MAC concealer, and I'll be using the stroke method to cut the crease, and I love to stroke the inner corner, in the middle, and the outer corner. Then I go along with small lines to meet each stroke.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side.
From the same palette, I'll be going in with the pink shade, and I'll be adding that to the inner corner of the crease.
Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Now I'm patting on the purple shade from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to pat the color in.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So now I'm going in with 3 different glitter. I mix them together. I mix the purple, pink, and gold shade, and I got these glitter from Wow on Instagram. She's a Jamaican. She's a sweetheart. I love her so much. Go support her Instagram page. Wow. BLUHWOW. So at the time, guys, she only wanted the glitter in the inner crease. So her wish was my command.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
To line her eyes, I'm using my e.l.f. eyeliner pencil.
See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by.
Now I'm going in with some lashes that I bought for myself, so apply to clients or to myself when I'm doing tutorials. But if you want other lashes, guys, I sell lashes. Check out my Instagram business page at Monique_luxurious_beauty. So for her foundation, I mixed my first model shade, which you saw her twice on my channel, and also my Fenty Beauty shade. So it was a darker shade by MAC and my shade by Fenty Beauty, which is, I think my shade is Toasted Almond in Fenty Beauty, and I mixed those together and it was a perfect shade for her. My mother was so goofy, guys, and I loved it. I enjoyed every moment creating this look with her. She was so funny. I'll be using a beauty blender to dab the shade all over. I hate to use brushes, and when I apply my foundation, I love to spray some setting spray on it.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I'm going in and I'll be highlighting her face with concealer from MAC, and the contour is also from MAC to a darker shade, of course.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls.
So I lined her lip with a brown pencil from the drugstore. Then I'll be going in with this blush pink lipstick from MAC, and I'll be using it to fill in the rest of her lip. The foundation looked as if it was not her shade or like a little super light. It's because of the lighting, guys. In reality, it was a perfect shade for her complexion. It blended in with her skin beautiful. Now I'm setting her face, and it's from CoverGirl.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Now I'm going in with her highlighter from MAC, and I was asking for opinion from my mother-in-law and my other model, and they chose a perfect highlighter for her, and I'll be just dabbing that in with my brush from it's my Ray Ray collaboration with BH Cosmetic. I love her brushes. I also love her palettes. So I'll be putting that on, and like her cheek, her nose, the center of her forehead, the top of her lips, you know. So whenever I apply highlighter or anything else like contour and like it's too loud, I love to go back in with like my foundation beauty blender and just stop everything in the skin, make it more seamless.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Subscribe, like.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No.
A friend to tell a friend. Yeah.
Wow. Mom, yeah, get you out. It look good.
So pretty.
Thank you, Monique. I appreciate it.
Jesus Christ,
Yes,
girl, look
I
how
will give you her number, but I don't want you to call her. Instagram her.
Goody God and all these things. Yeah, but
Just stay tuned. I'll be
but the
next.
camera is pretty.
wow.
Stay tuned.
And then the green fit her, the night
The green and the yellow.
Look at that girl, you're up.
I love it.
She turn up.
Stay tuned.
Up.
Stay
Tell a
up.
friend.
Tell
Yes.
a friend.
Tell a friend. Tell your manager.
No, don't take picture, man.
Tell your assistant manager. Tell your
Lord.
co-worker.
Right.
Yes.
You have to go up closer to him.
Yes. My name is Carrie-Ann,
Smart.
but you won't be following me on my Instagram. You'll be following Momo, Candyapple, on her Instagram.
If instead of just one more time, you got dead.
No, but I have camera there. I have camera for you.
Your new phone, yes. Yes. Your new phone. Let me take some.
You stop now? No, I'm not talking to me.
Yeah, no, you're center attention.
Yeah, look sweet as a man. Oh my God.
By the way, let me tell you, this is my first time doing a makeup. Like literally first.
And come with all these things, you know?
Can't even talk to that shit.
Tell your boss. Tell your man, side girl. I want you to follow Candyapplemomo, Candyappple on Instagram. Please to tell a friend, You see these? Hon up. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe. Tell your husband, check. Wife,
Matey.
side to side, because you have 2 and 3 man, you know, just have 1 and 2, as well. Shensia say, side chick,
Deck with people, man.
goody. Yeah, me and wife and mate, you know one.
Me have to laugh, you know.
Me know about she, but she don't know about me.
Ray.
She can talk. Yeah, when you like and share and comment, tell him for bring him wife. The next day, bring him side chick, and then another side chick. Yeah, so we do it. Tell a boss, your friend, your next man friend, to come,
Your next friend.
and your next friend. That's how we do it. Momo, Candyapplemomo, Facebook, Instagram, all of them, Twitter, and the next one. Facebook, MySpace,
And your space.
and your space, and your WhatsApp space. Yeah. Tell a side chick friend, if you come tune in, subscribe, share, big up on yourself, you don't know.
The realest chicks. Hey. Alright.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Me need to say that part, yeah, but me forget. Hear me now. For all those who don't understand Patois, please tune in on Candyapplemomo Candyaapple on Instagram. She's the best cosmetologist in Highness and on the Cape. Please subscribe, like, and share. Make me tell you now for the part what girl them in a Highness. One like una some una no blood clot no yeah, una me a talk to. Yeah, this is the real Carrion, the realest chick me a chat. Una can't come beat me because why? Best cosmetologist in a Highness when me get my something done. Yeah, talk to me nice now. Check in. For all of the hot girl they want to claim for someone at no makeup turn up. Una makeup not turn up yet. Come check her out in a Highness and pan the cape. Una know where to find her. Instagram, me gone. Have a good night.
I'm out.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and